Alright YouTubers, we have some extras coming your way. Here we have a U28C in the X-Pen Central paint and a Conrail SD40-2 number 6437 built by Lionel with the Legacy system. As you can see, he has his red marker lights on. And now we have a Tuscan GG1 in the Congressional. And we have two Pennsylvania steamers. That was the GG1. I showed you this layout earlier today, but they've got more of the trains running now. So that's really good.
WMR1s.
You can see I have another GG1. And there goes the freight set right there. And here comes another Pennsylvania steam engine here. It's got really good sound in it. Scrap loads, rock loads. There's another GG1, but that's the HO scale model in the gondola. That's pretty cool. And here comes the GG1 screaming by. The very popular locomotive by Lionel. Thank you. You blew a horn at me. Let's see, I'm going to walk around this way and go through the yard.
I don't know. Still catching up. Alright, I'll turn back some more.
It's a really nice setup here. Now we're going to shift to the other side and come to this other layout that's here too. See, these are from the general set produced by Lionel. There's the CSX ST60 that was in operation earlier today. It's an ex-Conrail, the Lion 2. And we have a couple of passenger trains coming this way too. This is all MTH for the most part. Here comes one of the steam engines now. Get an under the ground shot here. And here comes the Pennsylvania E44 electric locomotive.
That person is like showing, he's showing his abs off, but behind him.
Look at that.
There's a bear behind me. Oh, look, there's a bear behind me.
As you can see right there, he's got one of those signal bridges, one of the most famous ones produced by Lionel and everybody. You got a train coming through there now. A little steam engine there. You got a meet here, you got another Congressional here. Another GG1. Got a crane here. See, we've done these two little layouts just in here. But this is just really incredible. This is just an extra of just some of the other stuff that's here. So anyway guys, that concludes the Model Trains Extra. This is Engineer Pat saying I hope all of you enjoyed my videos here. And these will be posted on YouTube. And my videos will be up soon. And get my pictures and stuff on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. So please look out for the latest releases. Thank you all very much for watching these videos. I'm Engineer Pat, and I'll be seeing you next time. And long live the Big Blue.